Today, ATSUM and its federating units had exhaustive and extensive discussion and deliberation on the ongoing situation in the hill areas of Manipur. And it was decided to denounce the MOU that was signed on the 7th of August because not a single office bearers and executive were consulted when the MOU was signed. Whoever has signed has done in his individual capacity without consulting his colleagues and the executives. So, in view of the unilateral decision taken by the Vice President of World Tribal Students Union, Mr. Vanlanlian Khaute has been suspended from the executives of World Tribal Students Union. And for further discussion, tomorrow another meeting will be organized